In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add tags in Brevo. Tags help you organize your campaigns and contacts, making your marketing easier and more effective. To begin, log into your Brevo account and go to the Marketing section. This is where you manage all your campaigns and related tools. If you haven't created a campaign yet, make sure to do that first, since tags are added to existing campaigns. Once your campaign is ready, go to your campaign list and find the one you want to work with. Next to the campaign, click on the three dots menu. This opens additional options for managing your campaign. From the menu, select the option to assign a tag. At this point, you can choose an existing tag or create a new one. Pick a name that clearly describes the campaign so it's easy to recognize later. Tags work like labels, helping you group and identify campaigns quickly. After selecting or creating your tag, confirm your choice. The tag will now be applied to your campaign, making it easier to organize, search, and manage your marketing efforts in the future. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added tags in Brevo. Using tags is a simple but powerful way to stay organized and improve how you manage your campaigns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.